Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily merge multiple Word documents into a single file. If you work with several documents regularly and need to combine them, this is a great solution to save time and stay organized. First, open Microsoft Word. You don't need to open all the documents you want to merge, just one document where we will be combining the others. Now that you have Word open, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the toolbar, click on Object, which is usually located toward the right of the page. A small drop-down will appear. Choose Text from File. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse for the documents you want to merge. Select all the files you need. Click Insert. Word will now insert all of the selected documents into the one open Word file. It will place the content of each file exactly where you placed your cursor. You may need to adjust the formatting slightly, but that's all. You now have all your content in one document. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save the newly merged document. Go to the File menu, click Save As. Choose the location where you want to save your file, and hit Save. And that's it. You've successfully merged several Word files into one. This simple method can save you a lot of time if you're dealing with multiple documents that need to be combined. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.